Here I have Oppo A12 and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the home screen and wallpaper section, set wallpaper. Here you can select if you want to set your own photo or image as a wallpaper, or just select one of the presets here at the static wallpapers. As you can see, you have some presets here. I'd say they're not that bad, kinda aesthetic. Let's select this one, then tap set as, and here you can select if you want to set it on lock screen, on whole screen, or on both. Let's go for both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.